Hello everyone. In this session, I will guide you through the process of accessing and watching previous class recordings in the LMS. To begin, log in to your LMS account using your registered username and password. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to your course dashboard. Click on the respective course in which you are currently enrolled. After entering the course page, locate the specific module or topic where the live session was conducted. For example, if your live session was conducted under the Statistics module, the recorded session will be uploaded within the same Statistics module. Scroll through the module content and look for a section titled Recorded Session. Click on the link provided for the respective session. Your video will open and you can begin watching the recording. You may use the available playback controls to pause, rewind, or adjust the playback speed according to your preference, such as 1x or 0.8x. Please note that if the recording is not visible immediately after the live session, it may take a few hours for the video to be uploaded to the LMS. That completes the process. Thank you.